Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I have a UP-S6AC 1S AC/DC charger. It's charger for 1S batteries and supports, it has a 6 channels, so you can charge 6 batteries at the same time, and 4 type of ports, and also it can be used with LiPO high voltage batteries, which are now most commonly used in those micro drones. So let's check out what's in the box. Manual, instruction manual, 2 pages, probably all the types of settings. Here is the charger itself, and here is standard mains plug. Okay, so let's check out the charger. As I mentioned, it has 6 ports, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all types of connectors for 1S battery. So micro, MX, MCPX, that's E-Flight or JST connection for each port. And one other good thing, it has built-in AC adapter, so you can use the mains plug for it. But if you're at the field, you can use standard 3S battery as a power source, so you can charge those 1S batteries at the field, like this one. Okay, now I'm going to power it up to go through all the menus and check out actually how it works. So putting the mains, oh, okay, that's it. So what can we do? I have 2 buttons here. One is select, the other is setting. Let's press select. With the select you can adjust the current. I will leave it at 0.3A. Type of battery, LiPO or LiPO high voltage. So you can change actually each channel if you are charging multiple batteries. Let's say 2 of them are LiPO and 2 of them are LiPO high current. So you can change, let's say this one, port 3 for LiPO high voltage. That's also a good thing. I will leave it, it resets good. When I press setting long, now he will remember that. You see, now this one is LiPO high voltage. I will change that back to LiPO, and long pressing, save settings. The same thing looks like I need to do with current. And now save settings. Great. Now let's try this battery. This is, I think this one fits here or here. No, here. I hope so. Right. 3.9 volts. What are these numbers? I don't know. 3.93. It's probably internal resistance. And when I press, well, I have to check the manual what this does actually. Looks like it's already charging. Let me check the manual. The input voltage, charge cassette, battery type we did, and yeah, it says connect the battery and the charging process starts. The charger will automatically charge the batteries as soon as you insert the battery inside. Once the battery completed charging, this LED light will stay in green and here will be displayed as full. This charger also has a low and high voltage protection protection inside, so if your battery at the field is too low, it won't start. So you can use 2 to 4S battery for power supply if you do not have a main power at the field. And of course it also has a overcurrent protection, so maximum current is 1.2 amperes. Actually, this is very easy to use. You have some basic settings, really basic settings, and 6 ports, so you can charge 6 batteries with different types of connection. This is excellent, and I would highly recommend this charger for all of you flying something like tiny whoop, micro drones, micro RC airplanes, and all micro stuff. This is great charger which will charge all types of 1S battery, and we are talking about only 1S battery, so it's 3.7 volt batteries as standard LiPO, or LiPO high voltage is 3.8, I think, I'm not sure about that. Okay, very easy to use, highly recommended. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.